Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to make chicken and cheese samosas. So here are the ingredients. 1 kg of chicken boiled with 1 teaspoon of salt and then shred it. When boiling the chicken, you don't need to add water, just the chicken and salt. Spring onion. I have separated the white and the green part of the spring onion. Butter 2 tablespoons, wheat flour and water mixed and made a paste, 1 teaspoon of black pepper powder, 3 tablespoons of mayonnaise, 2 tablespoons of cream cheese spread, 1 chicken stock, samosa leaves. That's it. Now in a pan on a high flame, add 2 tablespoons of butter. In this you need to add the white part of the spring onion. After 1 minute, you need to add the chicken stock. After the chicken stock is completely melted in the butter, you can add the chicken. Mix everything nicely. Just cook it for 1 minute and then turn off the gas. Now the gas is turned off. Now at this stage you will add the pepper, the green spring onion, three tablespoons of mayonnaise, cream cheese 2 tablespoons. Now mix everything well. Now take the samosa leaf, fold it like this and then twist it. Now you put the chicken that we made, stuff it, hold it and twist it again. Apply the wheat paste and stick it. Take a pan, add oil to it. After the oil has become hot, you can add the samosas. Fry it on medium flame. After it is done from one side, turn it. You can fry until light golden brown. Now our samosas are ready. So please try it and I'm sure you're going to love it. Thanks for watching. Bye.